Alright, now this is part 2, and this is the real deal. I haven't tried this yet. This is the second part of my optocoupler test. In the previous video I explained what an optocoupler does, but the very quick rundown is it's a relay that lets me turn on more powerful devices like this fan, which is going to run on 120 volts AC out of the household circuit, and these little sensitive components which run on only 5 volts. So if this optocoupler does its job, it's going to protect my expensive lab trainer for my classes. And when I flip it on, we should see this come on. And if you guys can't see it, I stuck a little sticky post-it note, so hopefully that will move. So let's do this in 2 parts. Right now, I've got this put into a power strip that's not on. It's got an inbuilt LED, so you know when this cord has power. So first, we got safety goggles on. We are turning on the kit. My toggle switch is on low. My optocoupler is receiving 5 volts power. This is not receiving power, and then this is an AC motor. So now part 2, let's go turn on the power strip. And that's funny because it's turned on, but my optocoupler is not turned on yet. So I wonder, did I put it in the wrong port, and when I flip the switch, will it kill the fan? It did. I don't know if you heard that. Red light came on, so I think I put it in the wrong end. There are 2 ports. One is for stuff that you want to always be on, and then when you flip the relay it kills the device. The other one is for when you want the circuit to be open, and when you toggle the relay it turns the device on. So not a big deal. So when I flipped the relay it killed the device. So now when I turn the relay off it will let the connection circulate. Nice. And so our fan is running. We have 120 volts running through this thing, and this trainer is running the optocoupler off only 5 volts. Very cool.